Hello everyone, this is Mike. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on how to add the Hex token to MetaMask. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are on this transformation lobby page, and you can do that by going to hexlobby.com. The second thing that you want to do is make sure that you're logged into MetaMask. So do that by clicking on the orange fox at the top of your Chrome browser. I'm already logged in, so when you click on this hamburger icon on the left, scroll down, there is no Hex token. So I want to add it underneath USDC. So to do that, I'm going to click on this orange Add to MetaMask button. When I do that, the MetaMask screen pops up, and I click on this Add Token button. And then when I go back to the orange fox at the top of the screen and click on the hamburger icon again, now there is the Hex token inside of my MetaMask. And it's really as simple as that. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, consider using my referral link. It's in the description below this video. When you use my referral link, you will get an extra 10% bonus when you enter the transformation lobby here. Also, if you go directly to hexlobby.com, you're still going to get that extra 10% bonus. So either way you go, you're going to get that extra 10% when you enter the transformation lobby. All right, that's all I got for you today. Hope this has been helpful for you. You take care, have a good day, and until next time.